Let's talk about Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. More than 13 million people live in Tokyo. It is a big city. Tokyo is also a very modern city. There are tall buildings and bright lights everywhere. Shibuya Crossing is a very famous place in Tokyo. Thousands of people cross the street at the same time. Sensoji is a very old temple in Asakusa. Many tourists visit it every day. On a clear day, you can see Mount Fuji from Tokyo. The mountain looks large and beautiful. Tokyo Sky Tree is a tall tower in the city. From the top, you have a great view of Tokyo. Tokyo has many kinds of food. You can eat sushi, ramen, and tempura at restaurants or food stalls. Bullet trains leave Tokyo Station every day. They are very fast and travel to the other cities in Japan. Ginza and Harajuku are two popular areas for shopping. You can find clothes, gifts, and many interesting shops there. Ueno Park is a large green park in the center of Tokyo. Many people relax and walk there on weekends. In spring, the cherry blossom trees in Tokyo are very beautiful. People go to the parks to look at them. Tokyo is a very clean and safe city. People take good care of the streets and public spaces. Old temples stand next to tall modern buildings in Tokyo. The city has a very long history.